It's a beautiful box, Kira. Very well taped. Yeah, I think we gave her that 10. This one's for Jessica.
This says shared.
It says share. Share. I really have to share this stuff.
Oh, look. Look what she got.
I'm guessing those are Seth's.
Oh, Star Wars.
He would rather have those than jewelry.
It's a good thing. This one's not marked. However, it's full of small objects.
This one is for Becca.
Ooh, this is a tea set.
This is for me.
Cool.
I don't know what it is.
It's a scarf. That was from Marina.
Ooh, TVs.
The pretty scarf.
Ooh, look. Look at those.
Ah!
Look at my.
Kira, I love you so much.
Look at me.
Why do you
They're
love her?
gorgeous. She got me Dragon Con books.
Have you heard of this group? Jericho Road.
Yeah.
And Look and Live.
Nice.
And
Look and Live.
Live.
Kira, they're awesome. Thank you. Ooh.
Butterflies for your car.
Butterflies for my car. They're gorgeous.
Oh, okay. More Star Wars books.
And cards. Pretty cards. Jamie. Ooh, this is another one for Seth. So we've got a lot of books. Cool, I can borrow them when he's done.
Hey. What if I want to read them?
Oh, I'm sure you can read them. Dragon Con stickers. These are so cool. Muchas bonito, Kira.
What's that mean, translation?
This is for Luke. Jessica, take the whole box and put it in the OP box.
Very pretty. Means very pretty. Or very beautiful, actually. Ow. Don't hurt yourself.
I did. This is the boots.
The boots?
The boots.
What boots?
The boots.
Ooh, the cowboy boots. Ooh, they're pretty.
Unfortunately, they no longer have their silver tip on them, but they're still very pretty. And more importantly, the feet.
Ow.
It really did cut my finger.
I think they're gorgeous. I like them. Okay. Killing video. Thank you, Kira. They're beautiful. Say hi, thank you, Jessica.
Thank you, Kira.
We'll record again when the munchkins get home.